Let's say you're giving a scented candle as a gift, but you want to make it sparkle. I'm going to be using Serinity Crystal in a selection of sizes, and I've also got the Crystal Shapes mix, which I want to feature. I've got them in several magic sorting trays to keep the sizes separate, but you could use them all in one if you wanted to. I'm using Gem-Tac Tacky Glue on this because it is an ornament, and you'll find that it is sealed like a paint tube. You're going to use the spike in the lid to break this seal, and then you are going to gently and carefully push the glue up into the nozzle. Be careful, because the second you're not looking, it's going to come out too quickly. There are going to be a few air bubbles in there. You're going to want to push those air bubbles out so that you have a good controlled glue dot once you get to embellishing. Tacky glue is also great on ornaments because they're going to sit well, but also don't wash them because it will rehydrate the glue. I'm featuring the shapes with accents of the smaller crystals to complement it, and you could repeat this pattern several times around the edge, but at Bluestreak we do want to give you options, so here are a few. You can see here I've used the different sizes to create a nice tapered line in the design. With this one I'm featuring the shapes in the scatter with an upper edge of SS20, and there's a standard ombre.